Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to change your email address on Google AdSense. First, log into your AdSense account. Make sure you have your current email address handy. Next, navigate to the settings gear icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once in settings, find the account information section where you can manage your email preferences. Click on Edit next to your current email address. Enter your new email and confirm it. Lastly, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link to finalize the change. Now, return to your AdSense account and log in with the new email address. You're all set. Your email address has been successfully changed. Don't forget to update your records and inform any partners or stakeholders about this change. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. See you next time. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos to enhance your AdSense experience.